Action word. Crawling, walking, dancing, singing, jumping, speaking, listening, catching, running, digging, reading, coloring, cutting, writing, painting, brushing, bathing, combing, mopping, cleaning, hopping, polishing, skating, lifting, riding, yawning,
knitting,
knitting, cooking,
drinking,
touching, eating, sharing, bathing.
very good, biting.